Hello everyone, myself Priyanka Sarkar. I read your political science book. You know your this class your two book of political science. So first book is Indian Constitution at Work, and this book first chapter is Constitution Why and How. So first of all is what is Constitution? Constitution of a country is a written document which prescribes it to be a supreme law of the country to decide the structure of the government along with rights and duties of citizens. The Constitution speaks of who would play a vital role in decision-making power. So, the Constitution Constitution is a written set of law and fundamental principle to develop a relationship between the people and the government, which comprise a number of articles about the state. Chapter first topic is why do you need Constitution, and this topic under first point is Constitution allows coordination and assurance. So why you do need Constitution? First point is Constitution allows coordination and assurance. Constitution and assurance means diversity into conflicts. Diversity means religion, caste, taste, choice, opinion. Our country is a democratic country, so many religion, caste, choice and opinion basic people they lives here. So conflicts is, but they are regard to together. So they are regard to agree on some basic rules. So Constitution provide a set of basic rules that allow for minimal coordination amongst member of a society. So that it would help to achieve a minimal degree of coordination and legally interpretable. It provide assurance. So that first function is completed. Constitution allows coordination and assurance. Then our next point is specification of decision making power. The second function of a constitution is to specially who has the power to make decision in a society. It decide how the government will be constituted. And number 3 point is limitation of the power of government. The third function of a constitution is to set some limits on what a government can impose on its citizens. These limits are fundamental on the sense that government may never trespass them. And number 4 is aspiration and goals of a society. The fourth function of a constitution is to enable the government to fulfill the aspiration of a society and create condition for a fast society. So I told this point is two example. Constitution not only control the rules and basic system. Constitution controlling the power of the government. They also give powers to the government and any system and to prescribing collective good of the a perfect city. So constitution number 1 example is Constitution of South Africa assigns many responsibilities to the government. It wants the conservation of nature, make effective to protect person of groups subjected to unfair discrimination, and provides that the government must ensure housing to all, healthcare, etc. And number 2 example, in the case of Indonesia also, the government is enjoyed to establish and connected national education system, and the Indonesian constitution ensured that the poor and destitute children will be looked after by the government. So So say next point is fundamental identity of a people. Constitution expresses the fundamental identity of a people. The people as a collective entity come into being only through the basic constitution. And constitutional norms are the overarching framework within which are pursues individual aspiration, goals and freedom. Then it defines the fundamental values that we may not trespass. So the constitution also give one a moral basic moral identity. Many basic political and moral values are now shared across different constitutional tradition.